Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from Yahoo Plus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail application, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar, and in the search bar, type Yahoo Mail. And after doing that, follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. And after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Yahoo Mail, where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to unsubscribe from Yahoo Plus. Now, for you to do that, let's head over to Google Play Store, or you can even get that done on Apple Store. Now, click on Play Store. It's pretty much like the easiest way to go about it. So once you click on that, at the top right corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Now, click on the profile picture, and it takes you here. We have Manage Apps and Device, Notification and Offers. You have Payment and Subscriptions. Click on Payment and Subscriptions over here. Click on subscriptions and takes you here. So you can sign up for subscription in your favorite apps, or if you have this subscription, of course, you're going to find them over here, or you can just click on budget and history, and all your play purchases will show up here, including all your subscriptions. So just go ahead and locate Yahoo Plus, and once you locate Yahoo Plus, go ahead and click on it and follow through the prompts to just cancel your subscription from here. So you can do that here from budget and history, or you can do that on subscriptions. Whichever one you choose, we just head over to budget and history, look for Yahoo Plus, and follow through the process to, or the prompt to cancel your subscription. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.